Please like, share, and follow for more chemistry lectures.
Once again, I still remain Dr. Diaju, your lecturer on chemistry on social media. We have been discussing on oxidation reduction reaction. And the last lecture we saw was defining oxidation by removal of hydrogen and defining reduction by the addition of hydrogen. And I said before that these two processes are complementary to each other and they take place side by side in any chemical equation or reaction. We are going to define oxidation and reduction in another way today. Now, oxidation can also be defined by the addition of electronegative element and the removal of electropositive element. While that of reduction is the opposite, the removal of electropositive element as well as the addition of electropositive element. Now I take it again. Oxidation is the addition of electronegative element and the removal of electropositive element, while that of reduction is the removal of electronegative element as well as the addition of electropositive element. Now let's see on the board here. This is sodium element and this is chlorine. They are now forming the reactants this way. And the product is sodium chloride. As we all know, sodium is electropositive element, while chlorine is electronegative element. If you go to organic chemistry, this is a nucleophile and this is electrophile. Now, sodium, when electronegative element is added to the substance, it is oxidation. And when electropositive element is removed, it is reduction. Now, the two form the same compound, sodium chloride. Now, if you see what we said here, it said addition of electronegative element and removal. So, when chlorine, using electronegative, added to sodium, it forms oxidation and it gets to give you sodium chloride. The writer said, at the same time, the removal of electropositive element. So, when this is being added, this is being removed. So, on the other side, the removal of electronegative gives you the reduction. So, these two reactions, they take place side by side in any chemical reaction. That's why we cannot define reduction reaction based on only addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen. No. Various ways of defining redox reaction have been put in place. And that is why many times it gives confusion to many chemistry students, because there are so many types of defining oxidation reduction. So when it comes to this area of adding the negative element and removing the positive element on one side, on the other side now, you are now removing electronegative element and adding the positive element. So many people get confused. Now, as it's here now, look at it now. Sodium is now the reducing agent. It becomes oxidized here as sodium chloride. Now, chlorine here is the oxidizing agent. It becomes reduced here as what? Sodium chloride. So, like it, comment, share this video, and please follow me on my channel for more lectures. Thank you.